Show him, lad.
Show him.
Stuck into him, lad. Come on.
Get on me, lad.
Keep working him, man.
Keep going, Andy. Keep going.
Work him, man. No. Nah, that near doing, man.
You can do that all the place, Andy, lad.
Take your time, man.
Take your time, lad. Use them feet, Andy. Use the time, lad.
Okay. Fucking finish him. Finish him, man. Finish him, man. Finish him. He's nothing. Hey.
Fucking do it.
Finish him, man. Come on. Take him to the corner.
Use your feet, Andy.
Andy wants to calm it down here.
Slow your pace, Andy. Patient.
Patient, Ant. Take your time, mate.
Explode on him, Ant.
Use them feet, lad, in and out.
His head must be chopping everywhere.
Body shot, lad.
Slow down, Ant.
And use the feet.
Shit, lad, he's...
Back it up, Andy, and let that right hand go.
Uppercut.
Take your time, lad. Take your time, lad. Keep your space, Andy.
Pick it up, lad. Pick it up.
Straight shots, lad.
Pick it up.
Well, lad, follow that up, lad.
See? Up and down. From the body to the head.
Come on, lad. Go on, lad.
He's got no chance. See? No mates, lad. Come on, the white band, yeah. Got the lead. Hey.
I could tell when the lad came out. Was it like tattoo like that?
It's all fake, innit?
Keep it on, God.
I could tell he was like,
Explode on it.
it was almost like being expected to